what? Rainy Brain here. It's time to make some stationery. So I've recently found myself with a couple of pen pals, but I don't have any good stationery to use when I write back to them. So I tried making some with some old book pages, and it turned out fairly well. Enough so that I'm going to share what I did here. I'm going to start by taping the pages down to my work surface. So when I'm looking for stationery, I like my size to be about half the size of a regular sheet of paper. And then I also have a preference for lined stationery because if I don't have lines, I tend to write crooked. I found by using the book pages, I can get both of those qualities in my paper. So now that I have them taped down, the next thing I'm going to do is add 2 coats of white gesso paint. And now I'll be painting over it with watercolors. I'm starting with burnt sienna, and I'm using a shop towel to pick up the extra water. I think I should have let the watercolors sit a little longer on the bottom too, so I'm going to give them a second coat. And now I'm going to give those some time to dry before I go over them with a second color. I'm going to make each one a different color, so I'll be adding ultramarine, viridian hue, burnt umber. I'll be mixing an orange with cadmium yellow and cadmium red. And now I'm going to use my shop cloth to blot it up. going to add more water in places to distress the pages more. And now I will let them dry. Time to peel the tape off. So you'll see, because this paper is older, some of it does come up with the tape. There they are. So I'd love to hear what you think about this stationery and how often you write letters to friends and family. I think letter writing is a really fun and personal way to connect with somebody. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!